Welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we have something special for you, a 3-day detox cleanse that's going to kickstart your weight loss journey and leave you feeling refreshed and energized. We'll be sharing 3 powerful recipes for detox drinks that are packed with nutrients and designed to help you shed those extra pounds quickly. So, let's dive right in. Day 1. Detox drink, beet, carrots, celery, apple, and ginger. First up, we have a vibrant and nutrient-rich detox drink that's perfect for cleansing your system and boosting your metabolism. Here's what you'll need. 1 beet, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 apple, a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Simply juice all the ingredients together and enjoy this refreshing drink throughout the day. Beets are known for their detoxifying properties, while carrots and celery provide essential vitamins and minerals. The apple adds a touch of sweetness, and ginger adds a zingy flavor while aiding digestion. This drink will help flush out toxins and kickstart your weight loss journey. Day 2. Burn fat drink, carrots, orange, pineapple, ginger, and turmeric. Moving on to day 2, we have a powerful fat-burning drink that will fire up your metabolism and help melt away those stubborn pounds. Here's what you'll need. 2 carrots, 1 orange peeled, 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, a pinch of turmeric powder. Juice the carrots, orange, pineapple, ginger, and turmeric together to create a delicious and potent fat-burning elixir. Carrots and oranges are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, while pineapple provides digestive enzymes. Ginger and turmeric are anti-inflammatory and metabolism-boosting ingredients. This drink will rev up your fat-burning furnace and support your weight loss goals. Day 3. Glow drink, kale, celery, apple, lemon, and ginger. For our final day of the detox cleanse, we have a glow-inducing drink that will leave your skin radiant and your body feeling revitalized. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of kale leaves, 2 celery stalks, 1 apple, juice of 1 lemon, a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Juice all the ingredients together to create a refreshing and nutrient-packed glow drink. Kale is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, while celery and apple add freshness and sweetness. Lemon is detoxifying and helps alkalize your body, and ginger adds a zesty kick. This drink will nourish your skin from within and leave you glowing with vitality. There you have it, a 3-day detox cleanse with 3 powerful recipes to help you lose weight, burn fat, and achieve that radiant glow. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the cleanse to stay hydrated and listen to your body's needs. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and found them helpful on your wellness journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who could use a healthy boost. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy detoxing!